I'm Afrin Siddiqui, welcoming you to my channel Tech Girl. And today I'm going to tell you about number system, and I will tell you about decimal number system and binary number system. Well, decimal number system is the number system that we use in our daily life, and binary number system is a number system that can be understood by the computer system. And in decimal number system, we can use the digits 0 to 9. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's why its base is 10. And in binary number system, we can use only two digits, that is 0 and 1. That's why its base is 2. Remember, if we are using 2 or 3 in binary number system, it means that's not binary number system. The main thing in number system is its conversion from one number to another number. For example, if you want to convert decimal number system from decimal number to binary number system, what will be the procedure? How will you convert? What will be the method? So to convert, firstly we need to understand that the given number is in which number system. For example, I have the number 19, and you can see in its subscript it is written 10, and as I told you, 10 is the base of decimal number system, and in the next bracket, which is vacant, the subscript is 2. It means we have to convert this given 19, this decimal number system, into binary number system, and the base is 2. That's why it is binary number system. So if we want to convert any number from decimal to binary, how will we convert? It's a very simple method. If you want to convert any decimal number into binary number system, then you have to write the number in this format, and then you have to divide the given number by 2. Why we are dividing the number by 2? Because we have to convert the given number into binary, and the base of the binary is 2. So it means if we want to convert any given number into any other number system, so we have to divide the given number by 2. One more time I'm telling you, if we want to convert any number, here I have to convert decimal number into binary, so I will divide this given number by 2. So I will divide this number by 2, and simply you just need to recall the table of 2. 2 nines are 18, and then the remainder portion will be written here. 2 nines are 18, 1 is left, the remainder portion will be written here. Then next, 2 fours are 8, again I have 1. Next, 2 twos are 4. In this, if 2 twos are 4 divided 2 twos are 4, we don't have any remainder. In this way we have to write 0. Then again 2 ones are 2, nothing is left, then 0. And then this last one will be written at the end. One important thing which is very important that students used to do mistake, they used to write from top. But if you want to write answer, if you want to write that what is the 19 equivalent in binary, then you have to use the bottom to top approach. It means you will write 1, then 0, 0, 1, 1, bracket close, then its base. It's very important in exams also. If you are if you are converting any number from decimal to binary, or decimal to octal, or decimal to hexadecimal, then after dividing you have to write down the final answer. That's very important, and in final answer you have to use bottom to top approach. See, if I will use opposite approach, if I will use bottom in place of bottom to top approach, I will use top to bottom approach, the answer will be changed. The answer will be 1 1 0 0 1, and it's wrong. So bottom to top approach is the correct approach.